Hi guys, welcome to a new video tutorial. And yes, as you can read in the title, yeah, it's about magic bullets plugins. Okay, so let's get started. Uh, First, what you want to do is download this plugin. There's a 32-bit and 64-bit. Okay, and if you don't know how big is your laptop or PC, all you have to do is this: go to start and computer and right click and properties, and here's a 32-bit system type, 32-bit operation system. Okay, so mine is 32 and I don't know what's yours, so you have to figure it out. And yes, well, it's on media file, so all you have to do is download it, and here's the serial, and that's it. Okay, so once you have done download it, uh, click on Magic Bullet Looks. That's the program or plugin, and here's it. Now all you have to do is next, and just next, and next, and yes, and yes. You have to put enter serial number and just put a serial number. It's this one, okay. And then when you're done, you have to put done right here, and yeah, you have to look where you have your Photoshop installed and go browse. I have mine over here, program files. Photoshop cs5, app, and Photoshop cs5 and plugins, and yes, just press OK, click on OK and next, and close. You must shut down and restart your computer before the new setting will take effect. Okay, so restart your computer, and yes, well, I just put no, and that's it. Okay, now open your Photoshop, and yes, okay, this is the original image of which I choose. Okay, so go to filter and magic bullets looks and photo looks. Okay, and you have to wait. Okay, so here you can customize your background, desktop background, and everything. It will give you a nice custom. Okay, so just go this side. Okay, this side, and here's a lot of how the way you can custom your background. Okay, so we'll choose an example, this one. Okay, or this one. And if you don't like that one, you can go this side and personalize on yourself. Okay, color, contrast, spot exposure. Okay, just drag it right here. There's it. Swing, the flare, just drag it up, and there's it. You can change everything, and yeah, actually I use a lot of this of like making my desktop background and BG, and yeah, it gave me a good and nice customize. Okay, so once you're done, you have to press OK, click on OK, and there's it. There is it. So hope you guys like it, and yes, and thanks for watching, and drop your comment and a like. Okay, bye bye.